In the year 1674, on June of 6th, atop the mighty fort of Raigad, a dream that generations of Hindus had long cherished became a huge reality. A warrior who had challenged some of the most powerful empires of his time was formally crowned. A fragmented society witnessed the rise of Swarajya, and a civilizational confidence that had endured centuries of invasions found a powerful political expression. 353 years later, Maharashtra is preparing to relive the historic movement. The historical capital of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's Swarajya is once again preparing to become the center of one of the largest cultural and civilizational gatherings in recent memory, as lakhs of devotees, historians, Shiv Bhakts and tourists converge in Raigad Fort for the 353rd Shivrajya Abhishek Sohar. This is no longer merely a commemorative event. What began as an annual remembrance has evolved into a massive celebration of history, identity, heritage and national consciousness. The Maharashtra government, district administration and the Akhil Bharatiya Shivrajya Abhishek Mahotsav Samiti have transformed this year's event into what many are calling a national folk festival. For countless devotees, June 6th is not simply the anniversary of a coronation. It is a reminder of the day when Hindu Swarajya was formally established and recognized before the world. To understand the significance of the celebration, one must understand the significance of the original event itself. When Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ascended the throne at Raigad in 1674, it was not merely coronation of a king. It was finally the declaration of indigenous statecraft. It was the assertion, a declaration that Bharat could govern itself according to its own civilizational values. It was the fulfillment of a vision for Swarajya, a state rooted in dharma, justice, security and self-respect. And that is why many organizations today observe the occasion as Hindu Swarajya Divas, seeing it not merely as a historical event but as a civilizational milestone. And this year, Raigad is preparing on an unprecedented scale. Nearly 40 specialized committees have been deployed to ensure that every aspect of the celebration functions smoothly. From crowd management and transport logistics to sanitation, medical facilities, communication systems and emergency response units, the preparations have been underway for days now. Dedicated help desks, guidance centers and volunteers networks have already been established throughout the fort complex. Officials expect one of the largest gatherings in recent years. The challenge is enormous. Raigad is not an ordinary venue. The historical fort stands as a symbol of resilience and sacrifice, accessible through steep mountain terrain and a climb of nearly 1400 steps. To accommodate lakhs of visitors, authorities have expanded water distribution points, sanitation facilities and in fact garbage management system. Safety inspections have also been conducted along with the climbing route. Additional railings, signboards and volunteer assistance points have been installed to ensure safe movement of pilgrims as well as the visitors. For elderly devotees and those unable to undertake the climb, ropeway services will also continue to operate throughout the celebration. Security arrangements have also been significantly strengthened. Police personnel, home guards, disaster response teams and trained volunteers will be stationed across strategic locations. Medical teams, ambulance services, first aid centers and emergency evacuation mechanism have also been placed on standby. Traffic restrictions have also been announced on key routes leading to Raigad as authorities prepare for the expected influx of devotees from across Maharashtra and beyond. But Shivrajya Abhishek Sohar is not merely about administration and logistics. Its soul lies elsewhere. Its soul lies in the memory, in the culture, in the continuing connection between generations of Indians and the legacy of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. As the celebration begins, Raigad will once again echo with the sounds of Dhol Tasha, Povadas recounting the heroic exploits of Shivaji Maharaj and his warrior will resonate throughout the fort. Traditional martial arts demonstrations known as Mardani Khel will bring alive the martial traditions that help build and defend Swarajya. Every performance is intended to transport visitors back to the spirit of the 17th century. One of the major highlights of this year is the installation of a massive brass toran at the Mahadarwaza. The ornate structure features traditional Hindu motifs including Bhagwan Ganpati, the swastik, peacocks and parrots along with inscriptions honoring the royal legacy of Shivaji Maharaj. For many visitors, it serves as a symbolic gateway into living chapters of Bharat's history. The two-day celebration has been meticulously planned. On June 5th, tributes will first to be paid to Rajmata Jijau at Pachar. This will be followed by the ceremonial arrival of Sambhaji Raje Chhatrapati and Shahaji Raje. Traditional food worship will take place at Nagar Khana. Martial arts demonstration, cultural programs, devotional activities, and folk performances will continue throughout the evening. As night falls over Raigad, Shahiri performances will narrate the glorious history of Swaraj. Kirtans and bhajans at Jagdishwar temple will carry the celebration late into the night. Then comes 6th of June, the day history itself will be recreated. The saffron flag will be hoisted atop the fort. The ceremonial palki of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj will also arrive at Raj Sadar. The Murti of Shivaji Maharaj will receive a traditional abhishek. Gold coins will be ceremonially showered upon the throne, recreating one of the most iconic moments of the original coronation. A grand procession will then traverse key locations across the fort, retracing the spirit of the historic ceremony of 1674. For thousands present, it will be an art of remembrance. What is particularly important is that participation is no longer confined to just Maharashtra. Groups from North India, including regions such as Panipat and Delhi, are expected to attend the event. Members of the Indian diaspora are also traveling to witness the celebration from across the world. This reflects a broader phenomenon. Increasingly, Shivaji Maharaj is being viewed not merely as a regional icon, but as a national symbol of resistance, governance, cultural confidence, and statecraft. 353 years ago, the coronation at Raigad announced to the world that Hindu Swaraj had arrived. And today, the same fort continues to inspire millions. Its stone carries the memory of sacrifice, its walls still echo with the dreams of freedom, and its legacy continues to remind India that courage, self-respect, and good governance can change the course of history. As war bugles once again sound across Raigad and cries of Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji fill the air, Shivraj Abhishek Sohar 2026 promises to be much more than a historical commemoration. It promises to be a celebration of a civilization legacy that continues to inspire Bharat even after 3.5 centuries. If you're planning to visit Raigad, follow all administrative guidelines and cooperate with volunteers and security personnel. And for more stories of Indian history, culture, and civilizational heritage, stay connected with the organizer. Namaskar.